Okay, so now this is going to be on how to create content from our suppliers. So I'm just going to use Carnival since I have already screenshot the banner. So what you can do is copy this, put it into ChatGPT. All right, let's see if there's anything else that I want to put in here. No, we'll be good. All right, so what you're going to want to do, ChatGPT. Remember, there is a free version. Everything that we do has free versions affiliated with it. All right, create a social media post for Carnival Cruise Line. Make this an engaging post. Create a call to action. Okay, let's see. What else do we want to create a social media post? Carnival Cruise Line, make it an engaging post, create a call to action, and then want to get comments about this post. So now it is going to do everything else for me. Okay, so I am going to copy this. I'm going to go into my Facebook. All right, so let's see, make sure these are highlighted. So you can read through it, make sure everything's on there that you want to be on there. All right, now go to your downloads. Let's make sure this is the right one. Oops, nope. All right, where did it go? Let me do my photo, add photo, go to my gallery, put that right there. Shows up. All right, so then I'm going to go to next, and then you can literally post this onto any one of your Facebook platforms. Okay, hit that, and then, oops, cancel. Let's see, may take a minute or two. Oh, that didn't go. All right, post, post. All right, here we go. So you have something that posted on your Facebook page. You put it out there. It's really simple and easy. I use ChatGPT for anything, and I always post stuff like this all the time on my business page and my regular Facebook page, my personal page. If you want to just do it on your business page, you can do that as well. But usually you want to post it on your personal page because you usually have more followers than you do on your business page. All right, so that was number one. And then let's see, we can go to here. Let's see, they have Universal. Let's see. Which one do we want to do? Let's just let's do a meme because those are always funny. All right, so this one is cute. I need to travel before I unravel. Also, actually, this one's cute too. The TSA moving to the front. All right, so I'm gonna screenshot that one. All right. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go to my business suites so that I can schedule it out because maybe you don't actually have time to put content together and then send it out to everybody. So let's go to, right. So I found it. I had to, it's under my business profile, the Meta Business Suite, and it's under Planner. Okay, so you can come down to the end of the month and post it out for whichever day that you want to post it out. So let's go here. This is going to post to both my Facebook and Instagram. Then add a photo from my desktop. All right, so you go to ChatGPT, have them make some sort of funny little text to it. Create a social media post and create a funny social media post for TSA pre-check and heading to the front of the line. So just put it in there. You can schedule it. It's going to go to both my business page and my Instagram page. Okay. So then you could hit schedule. And then it even says save time by scheduling another post. So maybe later. So this is what I have going out on Tuesday. And gonna have to check my branch up in Raleigh and make sure that stuff's being posted. All right.